Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and give you my initial thoughts on this 5th generation iPad Air. This is the 256GB Wi-Fi version in space gray. If you are interested in this iPad, I will have a link below in the description so you can pick one up for yourself or find more information. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So just some quick specs before we open up this 5th generation iPad Air. It has a 10.9 inch Liquid Retina 60 Hz display, has the Apple M1 chip in it. And again, it's the 256GB version here. Now this does come with the charger as well as a charge cable, and we'll see that in just a moment. Let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like there's a little tab here that you pull and it'll pull the plastic right off. Oh, it's clinging to me there. We'll pull the lid off here. There we go. There's the iPad there. We'll pull that out in just a moment. And we'll see what else is in here. So it looks like it's got all your paperwork in here, as well as you've got your 20-watt USB-C charger there. So a 2-prong. And you've got a cable here as well, so that is about 1 meter long, and it's got USB-C on both ends of the cable. Let's take a look at the iPad here. So again, this iPad has a 10.9 inch 60 Hz Liquid Retina display that's 2360 by 1640. It features the Apple M1 chip with the neural engine. It's 8 cores and it's 60% faster than the previous generation. And it's got 8 core graphics in it that are 2 times faster. So the cameras on here, there's a front one right there. It's tiny. It's an ultra wide front camera and it has auto pan. So if you're on a video call, it can auto pan you if you move left and right. So that's really cool. On the back here as well, so there's the 12 megapixel back camera. This one can do 4K videos, has smart HDR, and it can do up to 60 frames per second in 4K, as well as if you're doing the slow-mo, it can do up to 240 frames per second in 1080p. Now this iPad also allows you to scan documents, or you can even draw on videos. It's compatible with the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. So on the top here, you've got your power button. That'll also scan your fingerprint for letting you into your iPad. Now the colors are very vibrant. We'll show you that a little bit more in just a moment. But the battery life on this, it says you can get up to 10 hours of battery life. It's a 28.6 watt hour rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Now on the top here as well, you've got some speakers here. You can see them, as well as on the bottom here, you've got speakers. So they're stereo landscape speakers on here. You can see the USB-C charging port there. On the side, that side doesn't have anything on it, and this side does have your power or your volume buttons there, as well as a little pad there. I believe that might be where your Apple Pencil goes if you have one of those. Now on this unit as well, it does have Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax, integrated Bluetooth 5.0. Again, it works with the Apple 2nd generation Pencil, as well as it weighs a mere 461 grams. It feels really sleek and nice in my hands. On the back here, I don't know if I showed you the color. This is the space gray. It's got the Apple logo right there, iPad Air. Looks really nice. So I've got this all set up here, and the first thing I'm noticing is how snappy this is with the M1 chip. Everything moves as you feel like it should. Everything's really quick and snappy. Now the colors on here are also very vibrant. They look amazing. Again, this is the 10.9 inch Liquid Retina display, 2360 by 1640, and it's 60 Hertz. It just looks awesome on there. This is a great iPad. Now the other thing I do want to mention, there is a magnetic strip here. If you do have, this is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. That just magnetically goes on there like that. It'll automatically sync with your iPad and start charging it right on the side like that. When you're ready to use it, you can take that off and use it like a stylus for writing, coloring, sketching, taking notes, etc. So that's a great add-on feature to your 5th generation iPad Air as well. So some quick final thoughts on this 5th generation iPad Air. Well, first off, I love how snappy and smooth everything is on there. It moves as you would expect it. It's really quick and nice, so that's awesome. It's got the brilliant colors in there, the 10.9-inch liquid retina 60 hertz display at 2360 by 1640. It looks awesome. The colors are great on here. Now the front camera, I love this as well. The ultra wide front camera at 12 megapixels. Has the auto pan. If you're on a call, it'll follow you, as well as the back camera here is a 12 megapixel as well. And that does 4K at 60 frames per second or 240 frames per second in slow-mo at 1080p. So awesome cameras on there, a nice color. This one's the space gray, and it just feels really nice in my hand and feels like it's gonna hold up for a long time. Nice and slim. Feels like it would be a good addition if you're looking for an iPad. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the 5th generation iPad Air. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.